Hey guys, this is Soumya and you are watching TechSaumya. Welcome back to the channel, and first of all, happy Diwali and a very happy new year to all of you. In this video we are going to unbox the Sony WH-CH510 wireless headphones. So let us get started. Do note that this is not the retail package which I have got. I got it for free with another Sony purchase I made, but the package contents will remain fairly same. Sony claims 35 hours of battery life on this pair of headphones. The fact which remains to be checked, I'll let you know guys in the review or on my blog. The first thing in the package you see are the headphones itself. Let us put that aside for a while and check out other things. So there's this instruction manual and a USB-A to USB-C cable. It is a great feature that these entry-level headphones also come with USB Type-C. So that's all you get in the package. There's nothing else in the box. So here is the USB-C cable. Let me adjust my focus a little bit so you can see that. Then there's this instruction manual and a quick start guide. And the headphones itself. Let us open up and see how they look. First impression that the build quality is not that strong, so do consider that while buying them. And the color looks nice. That's all what I got in the box. Bye. That's all for this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one, and in the meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to TechSaumya and the Gamer.